Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse in your Cotton, Leather and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox items that I ordered last September from the United States. I have here two packages, and they are coming from Carhart. This will be my first time to order Carhart items directly from the United States because, of course, using my Johnny Air Cargo Plus forwarder, it arrived here in the Philippines after 2 weeks. I ordered two items thinking that they're coming from the same warehouse, but unfortunately, one item came from Kentucky and the other one came from Tennessee. So they did not arrive in my forwarder at the same time, but in one separate day. So anyway, the advantage of that is I have to pay double the shipping fee from Los Angeles to the Philippines in Manila. But it's still minimal, and it is a lesson learned. But it's okay because when I was in the United States last July, I was trying to look for the Carhartt items from a Dickey store, but they are all sold out. And when I tried to order online, they were all sold out also. So I was not able to get the ones that I would like to get. However, we'll now proceed with the unboxing. I have here my knife, and one by one we are going to open. So this is sealed. Actually, I paid an average of 1,400 or 1,500 pesos for each package from Los Angeles to Manila, and I got 5% discount from Johnny Air Cargo because I've been a customer, a client of Johnny Air Cargo for the past years already. So we're going to open it. I got the duck canvas. We'll open this one. This is the jacket that is available in their website last month, and I think it's still available this time. And this is a rugged flex duck jacket in relaxed fit. This is size small, so I'll just show it to you first, and then we'll go to the other package. I'm going to open it. This is the Carhart pants. This is a slim fit, rugged flex duck tapered 5-pocket pant. Actually, I was intending to buy a double knee duck canvas from Carhart, but they're not available. Everything is sold out. So I opted to get this for my workwear. And I know that double D is too hot here to be used here in the Philippines. So I opted to get this. This is 31 by 30. So we're going to have some measurement We'll start with the jacket. The jacket has two breast pockets with stop button. Big pockets actually. And they have side pockets, which I call them hands warmer jacket, and they're nice. So it has a zipper, and it has no lining. So I can use this here in the Philippines during colder weather or whenever I travel. And it has some snap at the back. You have also a snap on the sleeves. So basically this is very nice. Actually I was looking for a chore coat from Carhart, but this is the only jacket that they have which has no lining, and I like the structure form, and yeah, so the usual Carhart. So we come now to the measurement of the or dimensions of this jacket. We first go to the shoulder. So the shoulder is small. So you have 17 and 1/4, and that's inches, 17 and 1/4 inches. The pit to pit, from one armpit to another armpit, it is 20 and 3/4, 20.75 inches. Body is the same, 20.75 inches, and the hem is 21 inches, and the length of this jacket is 26 inches at the back. So if you are interested to buy this, it's still available on their website. And this is the relaxed fit in small. I think this one is $50 to $60. There's no price, but basically that is the ballpark figure. It's 50 to 60 up to $69. We go now to the jeans. So this is a slim taper and or a slim fit. It is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 belt loops. You have nice rivets, of course, and you have the tag or Carhart. Of course, the fabric is duck canvas, and I think this is a nice experiment for fading also. But I would like this to be used in as a working attire in my backyard. So we'll try to measure and find out the dimensions of this slim fit Carhart 5 pocket jeans. So I adjusted my size because I'm getting bigger on my abdomen, so or stomach. So from 30 I adjusted to 31, and it says here it's 16 inches on the waist, so basically it's good. It's 32 inches. That's my actual measurement actually in my waist. And then you have the front rise. I've been watching preview or product review of Carhart, and I can see that the front rise is very high. It is actually high rise. It is 11 inches. The front rise is 11 inches. So basically it is high waist. Back rise is 15 inches. So it is really high rise. And then we have the upper thigh. So we measure from the bottom of this zipper line all the way lengthwise. Oh no, crosswise I mean. So we measure it 9.75. So that is 19 3/4 inches. And then the thigh length, thigh measurement, I mean, the thigh measurement is 11.75 inches. The knee is 8.5 inches, 8.5 inches, and the hem 7 inches. So we'll just measure the inseam. I mean the factory inseam. We'll find out if how long I'm going to cuff this particular jeans. So it says here it's 30 inches, able to fold it 1 inch. It's 31 by 30. So that means that the inseam is very exact, 30 inches, and the waist is really nice. We'll go now to the fitting video of these two items, and we'll find out if they really look good on me. These are my two first Carhart workwear in my wardrobe. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.